Now, this episode was kind of nice. When I say kind of nice, it was nice. Now, it seemed like the Budgelist that they was fighting this time was super powered. It was freaking overpowered. It seemed like the general major, or major general, was there with Major Loki. Seriously, Loki. Anybody who's near them kids Loki, that kid's gonna be a trickster. So, because Loki and the rest of them, it seemed like his team, the military, get some data on the Budgelist that was attacking and created a bomb out of a metal that can't age. But it seemed like the Budgelist that they was attacking with the bomb was using his eye beam to age the metal, but it wasn't aging. But because of that now, the Budgelist let go of eye out of his back and age it out of existence. It seemed like the Budgelist power was to age things. So because it was to age things, I thought it was to create salt. Create the salt out of water or freeze the water, but no, it seemed like it aged the water and time was stopped. Either it can control time or something. So because of that now, it was stopped. Now, it seemed like Tear, this Budgelist was calling to Tear. It's her Budgelist this time. And it seemed like Monobobe get a coupon from the girl because he helped his sister and Lisa get along. Now, he went to the something there. He went to like a hot tub or what? I forgot his name. But he went to that place and it seemed like he see all of the girls are naked. But it was a good episode. Subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment box if you feel like it. Thank you for watching, and I give this episode a 6 out of 10.